Yo, Kim here. I just want to show you my tummy on how flat it is today. So this is it today. And then let's move to the side. There we go. Right? Alright? Dang. Tara, takbo tayo. Pagod. Ito po, buong bagsak.